Okay, in this video I will help Peter with a 6-flap flying wing with motor. First, I go to model type and choose glider. Then sailplane type. Four-flap wing and V-tail and motor. And this would he like to have on the throttle stick. Next. Then F-mode setup. I think he would like to have it on this switch G, because he is flying mode 1. Next will be trim setup. And there's no rudder on this one, but we can put it on. This will give the trim possibility in all 3 flight modes. We are ready. Then go to the monitor, and in slot number 1 there is left aileron, number 2 right aileron, right elevator, and so on. The first thing is to get the flaps moving together with aileron. And this should be in this screen. And here you can set it on and adjust how much the middle flap should move together with the ailerons. And I think you would like around 50%. This was the middle. The next one is flaps. No, the next one will be aileron to rudder. On. This will give the inner flaps movement together with the aileron. Now the whole wing will work together with the ailerons. Then we go to dual rate and expo and rudder and set it on 0. In this way there will be no rudder function. Now I move the rudder stick and nothing happens, but only on the aileron stick. Then I will make a mix elevator to flap. I'll pull the stick. I'll set it on 70%. I move the stick forward. Now the flap is moving together with the elevator. And pull the stick. And now the ailerons are moving together with the elevator, up and down. Now I go back to the monitor. Now I move the ailerons. All 3 flaps, all 6 flaps are moving together with the ailerons, and now pull elevator. All 6 flaps are moving together. Then I go to flight modes. This is in Camber preset.
Flight mode 8. Flight mode 9.
In
Launch
launch
mode.
he would like to give a bit up elevator.
Flight mode 9. Launch mode. Flight mode 9. Launch mode. Flight mode 9. Launch mode.
This will work
Flight mode 9. Launch mode. Flight mode 9. Launch mode.
on
Flight
the
mode
2
9.
inner flaps. The middle flaps and elevator.
Launch mode. Flight mode 9. Launch mode. Flight mode 9.
The normal.
Flight mode 8.
And in landing, we would like to have the ailerons going up. and the flaps going down.
Launch mode. Flight mode 8. Flight mode 9. Flight mode 8. Flight mode 9. Flight mode 8. Flight mode 9. Launch mode. Flight mode 9. Flight mode 8.
And you still have the possibility to control the elevator.
Flight mode 9.
Then we have to close the transmitter and start up again and press the scroll. Flight mode setup. Next. This is land. This is cruise. And this is launch. Cruise, land. Back. Spoken flight modes. Cruise. Speak. Category. Flight modes. Cruise. Speak. Cruise. Back. Spoken flight modes. Land. Land. Back. Spoken flight modes. Switch again. Launch. Cruise. Okay.
Cruise mode. Landing mode. Cruise mode. Launch mode. Cruise mode.
Okay. Main screen. And the throttle. This is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's in slot 7. I think it should pretty much cover it.